Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy Indian-style coleslaw sandwich. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need crisp cabbage, sweet carrots, and a small onion for the vegetable base. For the creamy dressing, prepare mayonnaise, plain yogurt, and a selection of aromatic Indian spices. Don't forget your favorite bread slices, a touch of butter, and some fresh cilantro for garnish. This simple recipe promises a delightful and flavorful meal. To begin crafting your delicious coleslaw, finely shred about 2 cups of fresh cabbage and 1 cup of vibrant carrots. Next, dice 1 small onion into very fine pieces and combine it with your shredded vegetables in a mixing bowl. Now, for the creamy dressing, add 4 tablespoons of rich mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Introduce 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and a half teaspoon of chili powder for that authentic Indian flavor. Season with salt and pepper to your liking. Then stir everything thoroughly until well combined. Now it is time to assemble your mouth-watering sandwich. Start by lightly toasting 2 slices of your preferred bread until they achieve a beautiful golden brown hue. Once toasted, spread a thin, even layer of butter on the inner side of each bread slice. This adds a lovely richness and helps prevent sogginess. Generously spoon a hearty portion of your freshly prepared Indian-style coleslaw mixture onto one of the buttered bread slices. Carefully place the second slice of bread on top and gently press down. For a classic touch, cut the sandwich diagonally. Your delightful Indian-style coleslaw sandwich is now ready to be enjoyed. For the absolute best taste and texture, we recommend serving it immediately. To enhance the flavors and add a touch of freshness, garnish your sandwich with a sprinkle of finely chopped, fresh cilantro. This sandwich pairs wonderfully with a warm cup of traditional Indian chai or a refreshing cold beverage of your choice. For an extra layer of crunch and freshness, consider adding a thin slice of ripe tomato or cool cucumber before serving. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.